Welcome to the layout. I don't know what exactly this is supposed to be, but it's a layout. Hey, hey, Mr. Crab! Crab! Get off here, Crabby. Crabby, get over here. Ow. Hey, what do you need? I need some models for my layout. Do you know what models I could have for my layout? Oh, I have a wonderful idea. Let me grab a model for you. Oh, what am I doing here? Oh, perfect! A train! Perfect! It's a train. It's a little train. Why am I... What? Hello? Why am I driving on wood? Why am I on wood? Crab? Yes? Yes, Squid? Did you get a sentient train? Yes? I didn't even realize that at first. Do you think if you find more of these will be good for my layout? Okay. Gotta go back to the place where I got this little blue engine. Okay, I have a little green engine. That's number 6. Yo, cool. Hey, you two, battle. Thomas, what are you doing here? Percy, what? Hey, why don't you... Ow, ow. I can't turn around. Percy, do you think you could turn around? Wait, no, Thomas, we're stuck. Ouch. Okay, we need more chaos. Hey, Crab, grab another model. Okay. Shit. I found this box thing. I don't know what he does, but he's a box. Hey, you don't even look like a model engine. Move along. Oh! Toby! Huh? Wait, I turned that. What the fuck? Thomas? Ow! Percy, what was that for? Sorry, Thomas. Me too. Ugh. Yo, we're actually doing it. Crap, get another one. Hey, I don't know if the owner of these will allow me to continue taking them. I don't care. Grab another one. Okay. Okay, I found something in the middle. Who did you find? I found number 2. What am I doing here? Okay. But, Thomas, Percy. Huh? Wait. Percy, who's behind? Give me one second. Toby, move out of the way. Nope, I'm not going to. I'm just fine where I am. Oh, what? How did you do that? No idea. Don't question it. Edward? Hey, Thomas, move out of the way. We need something to help with congestion. Huh? We don't own a station? Not yet, at least. I have a station. Hey, Muck! I need you to build something. Build what? Oh, never mind, Muck. I don't need you. Oh my god. I hit the jackpot. I just found a building lying here. A building. Okay. Crab, I got a building. What is Farquhar doing here? Ow. Oh, god damn it, it fell. Oh, there we go. Percy, do you know what Farquhar's doing here? I don't know. Huh. This is certainly something. Oh, the indignity. Huh. Who's this? I couldn't find a number 3, so I found a number 4. That's all I could find. Sorry, Squid. It's gonna do. Okay. You are the 4th most important engine here. Oh ho ho, really? Really now? More important? Wait, you saying I'm less important than Edward here? He's number 2, so yeah. That's what I'm saying. Hey, no, Gordon, don't you dare. Hey, Edward. Hey, Percy, stop me. Whoa. Uh-oh, my number 1 derailed. Nope, you're gonna be fine. What? Get out of here, Edward. No. This is gonna be fun. Oh! I fell off. You're number 6. I don't care. Wait, no. This is the one that's the least important here. He's number 7. Ugh. Uh-oh. No. Ah! What the fuck? Percy, stop pushing me. It's not my fault, Thomas. Oh. What is even happening? I have no idea. Hey, we need to get something else. We need to get something else here. Yep. Yes, this is gonna be good. We just leave a big hole? That's my plan. And then we put the track back in. And, you know. It's called selective growing. How are you supposed to be growing a train? Don't question it. No, seriously. How are you growing a train? Okay, get another engine. Yeah, because your selective growing idea did not work. So now you just want me to steal another engine. Not stealing, just borrowing. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't know what this is. Well, it's an engine, but what are you confused about? I can't tell if I stole this from London or somewhere else. Hey, it doesn't matter if you stole it from London. That means that we have a good train here. I don't want to be sued by them, okay? Wait a minute. Oh, it has a face. Okay, so no. It can't come from London because they don't have faces there. Okay, get on the railway. Wait a minute. You are numbered 33010. What? How did you get an engine with that high of a number? Don't question it. I just found an engine. Okay. Run. Oh, what? Why is the track cracked here? Ugh. No, Gordon, I don't think so. No, little Edward. I am clearly the most important one. You don't even have your express here. Huh? What? Oh. Huh? What? Who's that? Was that your Tom? No. Wait, huh? Percy, get off here. Oh. Hey, stop bumping into me. Sorry, Edward. Ow, 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 ow. Nope, nope. You don't get to see this engine. Hey, what's the big deal? Uh-oh. What? What's Farquaad doing on the lot? Huh? What was that? Nope, 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 nope. You go over here. Neville! Oh, ho, ho, the indignity. The indignity. Why do you have a catchphrase? Huh? What? That's just what I say. No, 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 no. That's clearly a catchphrase. What do you mean? Hey, do you not ever feel like that? That you are well written by by a certain group of people? Huh? What do you mean by that? Huh? You know, like and then there was trouble, like that. Huh? Oh, ow. First the liver stuff the Farquhar. Then I get hit by the station itself. That's not good. Hey. Also, you, little engine. Get over here, because you're supposed to be forgotten about. What do you mean? Yeah. Nobody cares about you, you little engine. Nobody cares. Just go over here. No. Go off the track. We decommissioned you. What do you mean by that? You have no purpose here on my railway. Crab, take him back to where you found him. Okay? Fine, I get to go back to Soda in peace. Goodbye. Okay, that's one less engine. It's fine. We don't need him. Anyways, he just didn't do anything. Okay. You go back on the rails. Oh, thank you so much. You go over here. Hi, Edward. Why did you put me in front of him? You go over here. And you go back here. You said you can find a number 3, right? Oh, yeah? I couldn't find a number 3. But can you find a number 5? Oh, I think I did see a number 5. Okay. Why is there a spot up? Here's James! Oh, no. You got James. Hey, Tommy! Huh? Oh, James. Oh, hi, Gordon. Didn't see you there. Oh. Whoa. Edward? James? Huh? Up. Oh, I see you, James. I see you. What are you doing here? Oh. Hey. Hey, Crab, get over here. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's see the chaos. Hey, no, let me get off my ship. Ooh, it's gonna be exciting. James. Percy, help me. Okay. Wow! What the? Uh-oh. Edward? Don't bump into me. Uh-oh. Guys? Oh. Hey, get back on the rails. Get back on. I don't think I was supposed to be on this side. And, oh. Wow! Thomas! Hey. Hey, go over here. What? Okay. And you. Oh, there's trouble on the tracks. What do you mean? Oh! Wow!
that to happen.
Ho 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 ho! Chaos! I love it. Whoa. Why is my track standing up like that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my ship is attracting it. Huh? It's... My track broke. How do you fix it? Whoa! Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh, now look at this. We only have fucking half of a track left. Oh, okay, that's fixed. Thank God. No, I did not fix it. Ooh, idiot. This is chaotic. Come on.
What do you want to do, Thomas?
We'll have to find a way to get back to Sodo in one piece. Hey, no. You're not going anywhere with the... Why am I still here? Just... Well, I know why. I'm watching all of you guys suffer. Oh, I like your style. Toby! Give Toby back to us. Nope. The square is mine. The square is mine. He's a box and I want him. Oh, I know. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa, uh-oh. Gordon, do you know what just happened? Wait, no, you're facing Edward. Wait, Edward? Huh? Well, does any of you know what happened? No. I don't know. Whoa. Stop. Ooh. Oh, Dad's gonna leave a mark tomorrow. Huh? Okay, guys. Now... where did Toby go? I think he rocketed. Okay, thank you, Edward, for saying the obvious. He's so slow. Nope. Oh, okay. Let's do this. What? No. That didn't work. Uh-oh. Okay. Hey guys. I'm still here. Neville, do you even know how to help? Wait, I thought you went back to Soda. No, I got sent like 2 inches away from here, and I spent a lot of my coal trying to get up. Okay, Neville, here we go. Station. Thomas, help! I can't. No, I'm not stuck into the station. What happened? The rock, it flew away. Thank you, Mr. Obvious, once again. Oh, okay. Here's my idea. What? What? Huh? Hey, what are you doing with my engines? You all deserve better. You, Mr. Boastful.
What do you mean, boastful, buddy boy?
Okay, Mr. Strawberry.
Mr. Strawberry!
Did I send you back home? Okay. Mr. Wise. Yes, what do you want from me? And finally, no, not a square. Deserves to stay like that. He's fine. No, it's been. Nope. You did too much damage. You got the you might have gotten British authorities called on us. What? Yes, you might have gotten British authorities called on us because the uptaking British engines. No, what do you mean? They didn't even talk British. Yes, they didn't talk British, but they are British engines. So, I need to clean everything up before we get in trouble with the British authorities. We don't want anything. Sorry, Squid. It's for the best. It's for the best. We don't talk about this. This is why you stick to your board games. You're right. Yep, I know I'm right. Hey, stop. Stop groaning in pain. It's your fault we're in this incident in the first place. But you helped me. Yes, and now I'm helping by doing the opposite. What do you mean by that? I'm doing the opposite of whatever you did. How did it get here? Okay. Oh, now we have a sentient plane. Okay. What's next? Is there gonna be a sentient tugboat? Oh yes. Just go out to the bay over there, and you will see. You'll see like 10 cents. You know, a good little shop there. What do you mean there's sentient tugboats? Yep. But don't talk about Zoran. He's gonna try to murder you if you talked about him. What do you mean? Yep, said enough. I don't want to be hunted by the Z-Stacks. Bye-bye. Huh? What? Huh? Okay. Now don't fucking tell me there are sentient race cars. Oh, yes there are. What? Okay, so now everything is sentient, huh? Is the track gonna be sentient? Hey, you! No. No, not anything like that. Okay, thank God. I would hate to see a fucking piece of train track move on its own. That would be so awful. Help? No. After everything is done, I will take you back home. Okay, bitch. What? Hey, not my fault. Squid. Yes? Why is there a Jenga piece? The thing came with a Jenga block. Okay, then go, eat the Jenga brick. I don't know. We don't care. Okay, well, thank you for watching everything. Squid here has to go to rehab. What do you mean rehab? What do you mean? You have done enough. No, I did not sign up for this. Yes, you did. What do you mean I signed up for this? Yes, you did. You signed up, but to help me with this. Yes, now I'm signing you up for rehab, Squid. Crab, this is not the best thing. Yes, it is. It's for your own good. do not kidnap trains anymore. I don't even know how I kidnapped a train. Seriously, how did I kidnap a fucking